I'm Mike Johnson, that's my wife Allison, and our son Caden. And we just bought an 120-year-old farmhouse on 15 acres. We set this channel up so that you can follow us on our journey to renovate this property into a retreat that our family and friends can enjoy for decades to come. But I gotta warn you, there will be challenges, and this won't be easy. And whoa, look at that. But then again, what worth having is easy. So hit the subscribe button and we'll bring you along every step of the way. Let's go.
Make glasses on. We hit the money.
Pretty cool. Free walking skirt. Left side stall free. What's this here? Free breakfast, dinner, or tea set. $1,000 paid to any person who can prove we do not mean what we say. Interesting marketing. Contagious blood poison. Check out this dude's mustache. Dr. King's new discovery. Interesting. And we have a guest today. So no more refrigerator here and no more stove. Those are being hauled off by a good friend here.
Click that subscribe button.